So this is my hotel review for Panama, and it's the Aloft Hotel in Panama City. Let's look at it. And I get a great view from my room as well. But let's look at the hotel. So we're staying at the Aloft Hotel. It's pretty decent. Let me take you on the inside. Okay, when you enter, you have connection to Sheraton Casino. You have a cafe over here, cute little cafe. And bar that I play like live music and so on. And then the elevators are to that side. Alright, when you go up the elevators, you get into the front desk area. We have a restaurant over that side where you can get breakfast. You can get coffee over there. The front desk area, the sitting area, bars over that side. This is how the sitting area looks. Outfit check.